Woo! Christmas came early! Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the BoxyLuxe Winter December Boxy Charm. I'm very excited. This is the BoxyLuxe box, so this is the seasonal one that comes once every season. So we get it once every 3 months and it's always full of quite a lot of products. I think you get like 3 or 4 products more than the regular box and it's quite a bit more expensive. You pay for the regular box and then I think you pay an extra like $30 on top of that, and then I'm in Canada. So I think at the end of the day, it's about $80 Canadian for this box, and it's once every 3 months, so I'm okay with paying for it. I'm very excited to see what is in it, so I'm just gonna crack into it right now. So, when we open the box this season, it looks like this. So this is what it looks like so far. So it has the card on top that has all of the things that we got on it and all of the prices. So, and then they really bubble wrapped it this time. So they sent out all of this bubble wrap on top of their already sending out memory foam. So that's pretty cool. So we got like bubble wrap that doesn't want to pop. Why don't you want to pop for me? Lame. I'm gonna go grab my phone because I need it to tally up the total and my water. I'm wearing my slippers that I got in my FabFitFun box and I love them. They are so cute. Also my elephant leggings. Feeling very wintry right now. Okay, so to open this box, ooh, I am so excited. I have no idea what's coming in this box. I kind of stayed away from all of the things that were online because I didn't want to ruin the surprise because it's Christmas. So, oh, what the fuck did we get? We got a Kat Von D tattoo liner. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of Kat Von D's line at all. I don't really like her as a person, but her makeup brand, actually I should say that, no. So I'm not a big fan of Kat Von D as a person. I think she's really controversial and a lot of people really don't want to support her brand. So I don't necessarily buy her products because I don't really agree with a lot of the things that she says and a lot of things she does. But that being said, I needed a new eyeliner, so I'm really excited that we got a black eyeliner. I had to do this wing today because I'm going out for dinner tonight with a bunch of my friends, and my liner that I have been using is the, not that one. It is the I Do liquid eyeliner, and it's almost ran out, so I had a really hard time trying to do this wing, and then I tried using the, I'm dropping shit everywhere. I tried to use the Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and I just had a really hard time with it because I'm not really used to using liquid eyeliner. I prefer the pen style of the liquid eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. It is the Kat Von D's, the tattoo eyeliner, and I know that this tattoo liner is really, really good. A lot of people swear by it. So that is super exciting. So it's just a black liner and I am very excited to use it because I definitely needed an eyeliner, and I was literally just about to go online and buy a new eyeliner because I needed one, and I was like, wait, I have my BoxyLuxe box, maybe we got an eyeliner, let's pray to the makeup gods, and I did. So this retails for $20 and I'm very excited to have it, and even though I'm not a big fan of her as a person, I'm going to separate her from her brand and just use the eyeliner. Next thing that we can go into, so I'm just gonna I'm just going to tally up this total. Wow, why do you have to cut me off, camera? Rude. So the next thing that I see in the box is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So this is what it looks like up close, and I really like the brand Elemis. We've used a couple products on my channel by this brand before, and so far I've really liked it. So I'm really excited to try out this facial oil. So it is an anti-aging pro collagen oil. So let's open it. You guys know that I'm all about skincare and I'm all about the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, all of that stuff. So I'm very, holy crap, it smells like roses very strongly. I just took it out of the packaging and I can already smell it. So the packaging is super cute. It's this little dropper. It has this ombre effect pink bottle, and it is super, super adorable. It has like little sparkles all over it. I'll just show you. This is what it looks like up close, and if I turn down my lighting, it is really cute. It's this ombre bottle that goes from like clear to pink sparkle, and it's super adorable. So being the brand Elemis, I'm already just looking at it thinking that it's going to be expensive, so let's find it on here. So this is the Elemis skincare. Where are you? Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This retails for $79. So you get, holy crap, that is very expensive. So how much do you get? You get 15 milliliters, so that's 0.5 of a fluid ounce for $79. Oh my god, I am so excited to try this and see if I see a difference, because $79, this better frickin' do something, or my god, what a waste. Super excited. So we're at $99 already, and that's only been 2 items. So it's already paid for my entire box just for getting an eyeliner and this rose facial oil. So I'm thoroughly already very impressed with this BoxyLuxe. Holy crap. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. The next thing I see is from the brand Ciate London. It's this marble melted light dusk blush. So I'm not a big blush person, so I'm not going to dip into this because I personally just don't use blush that often. So I'm not going to swatch it today, but it is really cute. The packaging is really adorable, and it is from the brand Ciate. So this retails for $26, so that is very expensive, but the packaging is really cute. So the next thing that I see is the QMS Medi Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector. So this is a lip serum. So I believe this is the one item that we got to pick. So I think we got to pick between 2 or 3 items, and this is the one that I chose. It's a lip line corrector. I have no idea what that means. So it's a lip line corrector serum, and it looks like this. So it's just a white bottle, and when to open it, it like turns, and that's where the pump is. So let's figure out what this one says. So formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. And this retails for $200. What the fuck? $200 for this? Excuse me. Bitch, what? It's not even like cute packaging. It's literally just a white bottle with a silver lid. What the fuck? So we're at $325 already. Holy shit! I'm interested to try this out because for $200, this better give me freaking full ass lips. What the fuck? I am so interested in this product. $200? Was it made out of gold? I'm shook, guys. What the fuck? Okay, we're moving on. So the next thing that I see in the box is the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. So this helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. So it filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexions. It's green, it's my favorite color, and it's in this cute little like green packaging with like a pink little circle on it that says BP? IBP? I don't know. So this is the brand In Beauty, and I've never heard of this before. So this In Beauty Power Dual Phase Setting Face Mask. So this Energized Face Mist is a pick-me-up you need to get you through the day and night. Special by Face formulated instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Autumn Complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatic, there we go, from plants. Okay, so I'm interested to see what it smells like. I hate when companies seal their packages in this plastic shit. It's so unnecessary and just so harmful for the environment, and I just hate it. All right, what does it smell like? Lime. You guys know like Lifesavers, the candies? It smells like the green ones. It smells super good. It smells super sugary and really sweet. I'm really interested to try this, and there's aloe vera in it, so that's cool. It smells like the green lifesaver. So that smells really good. So that retails for $32, and that's pretty cool. The only setting misks I have at the moment are, actually I have quite a few. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I have the Morphe one, which is just the regular Morphe one, not the Jeffree Star one. I have the, let me grab it. At the moment, my setting mists are the Morphe one, like I said, my Urban Decay one, like I said, which is like my holy grail one that I always use, my Skin & Co. Radiant Dewy one that we got in a subscription box, and my Iconic London one that I believe we got in last month's Boxy charm. So I still have all of these ones to go through and use, and now I have another one to add to the mix. So I probably won't use this one for quite a while because I have quite a few to get through already, but definitely smells really good, and I will try it out in the future. So moving on, oh wait, did I add that in? Yes, I did. So we're at $357 already. I am so freaking impressed with this BoxyLuxe this month, holy shit. So the next thing that I see is from the brand Too Faced. So this is a liquefied matte longwear lipstick. So it looks like this. I'm assuming that's the color that we got. So it is a nude, I guess, nude lipstick from the brand Too Faced, and that's what it looks like. So it is a really pretty nude. I'm gonna put it to the side for now, just because I have quite a few nude lipsticks already that I don't necessarily use that often. So I might just give this one to a friend just because it is a really pretty color, but I don't necessarily need it. So this is from the brand Too Faced. The only things that I've tried from this brand have been I believe I tried the peach line. I've tried something in the peach line. I think I tried the primer and I didn't like it. So this retails for $21, so that's pretty standard for lipstick. So that is a matte liquid lipstick. So the packaging is really cute. It has the color of the lipstick on it, and it is like gold, and it's really cute. But like I said, I might just give this to a friend just because I don't necessarily need it. I have so many lipsticks right now that I have to get through, and I'm a little overwhelmed. So moving on to the next thing. So now we're getting to the bottom of the box. So the first thing I see in the bottom is Ritual of Sakura. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This is a shower gel. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. It looks like shaving cream. So it's a shower gel. So let's see. Foaming shower gel sensation. So in Japan, the annual flower of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. Ooh. So that's what it looks like. It smells. You know L'Oreal's Total Repair hair care system, so the white bottle and the red writing, and it's to help with hydrating your hair and getting your hair back to normal. That's exactly what this smells like. Yeah, it smells exactly like that. So it smells really good. It already smells like products that I already use in my daily life, and I need to use a cloth. Oh god. Wipe that off, but that smells really good. So it's from the brand Rituals, and it retails for $9.50. So that's pretty inexpensive, especially for how much you get. You get 6.7 of a fluid ounce, so 200 milliliters, and it's a really big bottle, like it's the size of my head. So really awesome. We are at $387.50. Holy shit. So there is 2 items left in this box. So this is the second last one. So this is a soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eye areas. So you can't really see it. Let me turn on my lighting. So it's a beige box with just white writing on it, or red writing on it in like a white little box. The packaging is really simplistic, is that how you say it? So I like that. It is pretty cute. It's a cardboard box, not plastic, so that's nice. And it looks like this. So it is a soy face cleanser. What does it smell like? It smells like baby powder. It smells good. It smells really like fresh and clean and kind of like baby powder, so that's interesting. I'm interested to try this out with you guys in a future video. Let me know down below if you guys are interested in me trying out a lot of the skincare stuff, because I know I did a poll in my community box and a lot of people said that they were looking for more of eyeshadow tutorials and like special effects looks rather than skincare, but I get so much skincare in these boxes that I always feel like I need to try them out. And so far we've only gotten 3 items in here that have been makeup. So we got the blush that I'm not sure if I'm going to use, we got the lipstick that I'm giving away, and we got the eyeliner that I'm very excited to use. So more skincare, very excited, and this retails for $38. So $38 for a face cleanser. That's really awesome. I'm really excited to try this out because I was pretty much out of the face cleanser that I've been using in the past, which was the Glam Glow one, and I really want to repurchase it because I liked it and it worked really well on my skin. And then also that chlorophyll Dr. Brandt face cleanser. I'm almost out of that one as well, so definitely needed a new one, and I'm excited that we got one, which is another reason that I love BoxyCharm so much and FabFitFun and all of these subscription boxes, because they do send out quite a few face cleansers, and by the time that I'm done one, I usually have another one to use, so I'm always getting to try new products, and I love that. So the last thing that's in the box I saw at the very beginning and I'm really excited for. So this is from the brand, I think I talked about this in a recent video, I couldn't remember what it was called and I had to look it up. It's from the brand Storybook Cosmetics. So this is an eyeshadow palette that literally looks like a storybook. It looks like a book right out of fairy tale land. And it is super cute. So when you open it up, it has this giant mirror in it, and then it has all of these really gorgeous colors. So we got the top row is nudes, the second row is blues to like a plum color, then we got some shimmers to more like sparkly golds, and then a silver to pink. This palette it's definitely not as colorful as I personally love to have in my collection, but I'm really excited to try this out because I've been looking at Storybook Cosmetics palettes for a long time online, and they are so expensive that I haven't bought one. I've also been looking at their brush sets because their themes are just so cute. I know I talk about in my haul how I don't really like themed makeup, but Storybooks, I will say that I really like that. I think that is really cute. This is such an adorable book. So this is just a fairy tale Storybook Cosmetics palette, and it is super cute. So I will test this out in a future video and do all the swatches in a future video. Let me know down below if you guys are interested in this palette and me playing with it and creating a look with it, because it's really, really cute. So this retails for $55. So it is a very expensive palette, and I have not used anything from this brand that I believe. So I'm really excited to try it out in a future video. But that was everything that was in this BoxyLuxe box this month, and the total is $480.50. That is insane. I am so shocked that the one item in this box was $200. Like, what the actual heck? That is amazing, BoxyCharm. Thank you so much for adding so much skincare into this winter box, because my skin definitely needs it. I am feeling so dry and I'm very excited. The only item, like I said in the beginning of the video, that I'm not certain if I'm going to use is the blush. I am very excited to try out all of these products. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my unboxing of my BoxyLuxe box. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!